way. Get...
You're so smart. Super! We need to take parts off the wrecking ball. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all needs to be fixed. Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Excellent. Magnificent. Put a patch on it. You're so smart. That's great. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Excellent. That's great. The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You solved the problem. Something is dripping here. Pick up all the junk with wires. Super duper! That's great! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Excellent! You solved the problem. The engine's broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. That's good. Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Awesome! Let's install the new parts in the engine. That's great! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. I knew you could do it. All done. Now help to assemble wrecking ball. I appreciate. You can upgrade the vehicle. It's time to take the car to the construction site. Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Keep going! Let's go! 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 Keep going! Congratulations! Great job! Here is your prize for your great work! What an amazing sticker! Here are the fascinating stickers you collected!